Hello everybody, this is the second part of the videos, and if you are interested in learning how to work with a survey for analyzing data in real time, this video clips is for you. In it you will find steps on Google Forms, pivot tables, graphics analyzing using Excel. The survey, now I'll show you how start all this. First, you go to Google Forms and build a questionnaire that I send you. I send you the questionnaire that I did. But now I'll show you how I did these steps. You go until your Google. This is my Google. Go onto the Google and you go to this in iDocs and looking for forms. When you find forms, you build one here. Yes, now I show you that questionnaire that I did for you. What's this? In this questionnaire, you can find here the questions. When you do here, click, appears the new question that you can do in multiple selections or Likert scale that are these. You did the questions. Yeah, and when you finish, you do this, that is copy the link, and you send this link to the persons that you want that answer your survey. Here you do some configurations for the format, the questionnaire, and when all is this, you can see in real time what happened when the people answer you the questions. But this analysis is basic, therefore I wanna show you how to build a dashboard. Okay, when you do this and send to the others, I send you, this is the receive you for answer, the format that you see when I send the link. You see this, that is the format. When you have this, in this part, you can see the possibility to download this information to Excel. You go here and say download the answers in CSV, and you download this. And when you open this information, look like this, you open, and the information, you can find this information in this format. It's important that you save in Excel. You do click here and eraser CSV and the doc2 and do save. When you do this, in this moment I save in download in my laptop. Let me change the name. Let me change the name because I have other. Copy. Yeah. Now when you are here, it's important that you organize the format for can rate. The format that you can see here. Do click in the column. Do click the column and go to the format and choose these three options, that the text gather in the each file and column, no inferior, superior, and at the top of each part, and general is okay, and you put accept, and do this and copy with the brush, and do the same with the others. When you do this, you can read better the information. Yep, you do this and all, and organize the information. When you finish this information, you can see this format. I put this format a color and organize. Yes, all is okay now for analyze. You have to check that don't have gaps in the information, spots, that all are okay. And this moment I have 11 persons that answer my survey. But if I work with the original document, appears more, and immediately that the person answers, I can do that this row. Okay. Now work with this for the example that today, and go to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can find this information when you finish. That is that I hope that you did with the video. You can see the same information with the questions. Remember what was the questions. For example, the question was what school in our school cultural diversity respect and evaluate in daily practices. What do you think is the main challenge in promoting multicultural education in your school? In your opinion, what best describe the school's approach to cultural diversity? Students from different cultures have the same capability to participate in class activities. In your opinion, what best describe the school's approach to cultural diversity? Yes. With these questions, I can see this information in dashboard. What is the advantage? That you can see here the options, and you can, with the dashboard, select, for example, in this question, what do you think is the main challenge in promoting multicultural education in your school? You can see what happened. For example, if I check language barriers, and when you click, show me how change this answer in each school. Yes, it's really useful. Or for example, here, when I do what happened in the schools with these questions, change information. It's really useful. If the students for different cultures, for example, have the same capability to participate in class activities, agree, disagree, neutral, when you choose, change all the information. Not only the question, but you can find information in what happened in each school. It's really useful, this dashboard. Now I will show you how to do this. Okay, we go to this dashboard, and let me introduce how you do this second part.